In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the super simple two-stage turnaround strategy. There are only about 4 steps you have to follow, and this has a super high win rate that can help you grow your account. So let's walk into it. First off, this strategy came from the ultimate list of SPY trading strategies that I put together. Again, I scoured the internet to find the most profitable back-tested strategies on SPY. Again, if you want this whole list, it's completely free. Link down in the description below, which is a PDF download. But anyways, you can see your strategy number 1, the turnaround Tuesday strategy. Again, today is Monday as I record this video, so it works out perfect for this strategy. Why? Well, because the strategy number 1 is found from quantifiedstrategies.com, just to give the plug because they are the ones who backtested and made this research. But again, this is based on the strategy is based on a common occurrence that they noticed, and then they put together a back test for it, and then here are the rules and here is the outcome. Obviously, it works well long term. It will help you grow your account, but how exactly does this work? Well, let's walk through the trading rules. First off, you can only place this trade on Mondays. So again, today in the market in real time, it is Monday, and because of that, we'll be able to walk through the strategy perfectly. So today is Monday. The previous trading candle was last Friday, and this is how it's going to work. What we do is we say, so today is Monday, good, check. Number 2, Monday's close must be at least 1% lower than Friday's close. How do we determine this? Well, we're going to hover over, this charting platform is called tradingview.com, free for anyone to use. But again, you can do this on most charting platforms online or your broker. You hover over the candle, and then up here in this section is going to point to, you can see there's a C. The C is the close price. So it says the close price is $433.21. So we're going here to our handy dandy calculator, $433.20. Then we need to be 1% lower, so that's going to be 0.99 because it's 100% minus 1%, so that gives us 0.99. So we want today's close in order to enter this trade to be lower than 428.86. So let's go 428.9. So let's put a line there, 428.9 trend line, 428.9. Oh, that's actually quite lower. 428.9. Sorry, just trying to be a little, probably maybe a bit too exact. Whatever, here we go. 428.9. So again, it says we need to be at least lower than 1% lower than Friday's close. So if this is true, so that means if it's Monday, that is true. And if today, by the end of the close period, this stock gets down below this white line I have right here, then guess what? I simply buy the stock. So again, let's say we're in the last 15 minutes of the trading day and it's below this white line. What am I going to do? I'm going to go in and buy SPY shares, buy SPY stock, or it's shares really because it's an ETF, so buy SPY shares. Then I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to, so again, if I enter, then I'm going to exit on the close of Tuesday. So I'm going to wait for a full trading day on Tuesday, then I'm going to exit in the last 5 to 10 minutes of the trading day on Tuesday. And that is how this strategy works. It's a simple Monday type of dip, and then you buy the recovery on Tuesday. So again, we can see this kind of play out in different levels. Let's see if we can find one. So here's a Monday that didn't satisfy, because again, we're looking for Monday to be below Friday's close. So again, Friday's close is right here, and then Monday right here. We probably wanted to close here. I wish I would have thought a bit more in advance and planned out and showed you a few scenarios of when it entered. But this again is just simply how the strategy works. It doesn't happen every single day because it's super simple and super easy to follow. But when it does, this may be something you want to add to your strategy trading repertoire, where you go, okay, I know this, I know it has a high win rate, I see it set up, I should enter it. And so again, if you're seeing a very red Monday in the trading market in the S&P 500, trigger, okay, there's a turnaround Tuesday trading strategy that has a high win rate, maybe I should go after. Okay guys, so that is what this is. If you want to learn more about this strategy and others, click the link down below and grab the SPY trading strategies sheet because it's going to be super beneficial for you. Alright guys, please hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.